Welcome back to John's Guitar Lab. Today, how to practice. This is very important because busy schedules, people going to school, going to work, you don't have time. But you can make a little time, and that's what it's going to take, or as some people like to call it, quality time. All right, now one of the things let's say prescribe would be you get home from work or you get home from school. Sit down with the guitar as soon as you get home. Do 5 minutes. 5. Don't really bother doing more because especially at the beginning, your hands are going to be sore, your fingertips will be a little sore. Your concentration sometimes can fade off a bit, especially if you're sitting there, 10, 15 minutes, your hands hurt and you're trying to do something. So 5 minutes, you take a little bite. Okay, once you complete your 5 minutes, whatever it is with your normal protocol, your normal schedule, you go about. All right, then let's say, after dinner, for instance, let's do another 5 minutes. Okay, so that's fine. Everything's going good. You do your 5 minutes or so, maybe 7 minutes, but whatever. Now what happens is, let's say I'm going to brush my teeth. So you go and you brush your teeth. An hour's passed, you saw the news, maybe you saw a sitcom or whatever. As soon as you finish brushing your teeth, knock off another 5 minutes, right? What you did, in essence, is did 15 to 20 minutes that particular day. Very, very important. Now, the progress you make might take a little bit longer, but it's going to be solid. And that's what we're looking for. Okay, we're looking to nail this. We want to get this down. We want to play guitar. We want to talk guitar. So please, bear with it. It's not going to happen like that overnight. Again, anything that's good takes a little bit of time and a little bit of effort. Okay, now, one other thing very important, and I want to mention this now, and I'm going to mention it again in future videos. Metronome, which keeps time. This is an electric one, if you could see it. I don't know, can you see it sort of off to the side? It makes a clicking sound. All right. To keep the time, because that steady click is going to keep these two hands working together. Another thing, and again, I know I sound like a broken record, but I'll be talking about it again in a future video, will be a tune-up. Okay? Very, very important. All right? These work with plugins with the electric guitars. They also have microphones to pick up the acoustic guitars. And they have them where they pinch on to the head of the guitar or whatever. Either one of these items you could pick up probably $15 each, no more than 20. Don't go for overkill unless you want to spend your money. If you want to, hey, bless you. Last but not least, don't give up. All right, you're gonna want to bang, boom, boom, boom. All right, don't give up. When I started taking lessons back in the okay, just, all right, my guitar instructor told me this, and it makes sense, and I've told everyone in the past so many years, all right, if you miss practice one day, you're going to know it. If you miss practice in 2 days, another musician's going to know it. You miss practice 3 days, everybody knows it. I mean, people, they come knocking on your door and say, hey man, you didn't practice today. Anyway, moving right along. Please, just practice. Questions, throw them at me. All right, if there's a situation and I could help you form your schedule better, if you think there's anything that I can do to help, please, comments below, just fire them in at me, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Another thing, please, if you like what you hear, throw out a thumbs up and subscribe. All right? Thank you very much and enjoy your day. And remember, okay, we want to talk and play guitar. Thank you.